Medyo masikip. Okay, Arvin.
Who can I address the questions?
Alright, so we're back. So hopefully you're all full. Nasarapan na kayo sa kinain niya? Or should just party na? So I'd like to thank, of course, I'd like to thank Cheese Steak. The Cheese Steak Shop. Yeah, Ato, may babasahin lang ako kasi dahil they're very nice, pinakain na tayo lahat. Their sandwiches are straight from the griddle with big, bold ingredients. The Cheese Steak Shop's cheese sandwich is a delicious concoction of grilled beef, no cut, onions, sweet and hot peppers, Latza American, and provolone cheese on a world-famous amoroso roll. Galing pala naman si Kat. Yeah, but so what we're doing tonight is we're ayan, tapos you can visit their website. Loki. Naman. Ito ba? Tawagin ko si Hub. www.cheesesteakshop.com.ph. Ito, paano yung Facebook? Ayun. See, we learn something new every day. Facebook.com, The Cheesesteak Shop Manila. Ito, paano yung Twitter? Hindi ba? Twitter.com. Naloko tayo na. Okay, maniwala dyan. Naloko lang. Twitter.com, cheesesteakph. Ayan, so, para naman may sense, let's turn over things to the experts. Bale sila yung mga organizers at yung mga supporters ng mangyaring Visual Music Festival. Okay, wag na ako pakinggan. Okay, so we'd like to welcome in the panel si Miss Mary Kay. She's from Geyser Maclang. Yan. Also, they're the PR team that sponsor the event, so they're very, very generous, and they gave mga advertising plan for TSND. So pasalamatan natin sila. Thank you for that. We also have from Aloha Board Sports, si Charles. Hi, Charles. There is from Xiaoming, si Kevin. Hi, Kevin, the one in purple. Of course, from the Anime Alliance, we have Tessa. Ayan. And then from Iho, also a lot of help to the cause. We have si Junji Lerma, so napakagaling ko nag-guitarist. We're very lucky to have him here with us. Of course, there's Mr. Mark Mary. He is representing the Honorable Congresswoman Bernadette Herrera-D. And of course, the founder of the telecommunication Serve the Deaf, TSND, Mr. George Taylor. So, now we're gonna turn over the floor to you guys. Mga may tanong, you just raise your hand and I'll come to you. Ayan siya. Sorry kanina. Siguro naayos mo na yung question mo. Talagang na-memorize mo na. Okay, so Arvin, you can just tell us where you're from. You represent what company?
Hi, I'm Arvin. I work in LaSalle. And I'm a blogger. I have some questions addressed to anyone who can answer. First, is this the telecommunication service network for the deaf? Can this be done online, or is this an office that deaf people need to go to so that they can use this technology? And for example, if the deaf needs to call customer service of any service, do they need to go to this office to be able to call. Because I think this is also being done in the US when a deaf customer needs to call the customer service. So it has to there is a three-way call between the customer service representative, the customer, and the interpreter. Thank you.
Okay, so the mic. No, it's not the mic there.
Okay, in the US, the VRS already has a law that has been passed. So there's a lot of opportunities and a lot of ways for the deaf to get the VRS service for free. But now, here in the Philippines, what we're doing is we're bringing the technology here. We already have it ready. The platform, everything's there. We already have the office, the call center here in Makati. And online, we have it. So the deaf customers, well, the reason why we're pushing this is to get support from the government and society through this VRS bill. Because it's very expensive to maintain this service for now. And the technology is ready. So anyways, the VMC is raising funds to, our goal is to start, the first step natin is to put VRS stations in schools, public schools like Lagro Elementary School and other areas with the most number of deaf people. Like parang payphone, for example, if a deaf person can't afford a computer, they can easily go to a payphone with a VRS station and tap it. And another way is through the iPhone. If a deaf person has, pag may mas well off sila, they can use their own laptops and they can go through online to use our services. So anyway, in any way,
Thank you, Arvin. Did that answer your question? Sige. Any more? I don't know. Questions? I don't know. Alright. Anyone? Okay.
Hello. Yeah. Hi again. We're very lucky to have TSND. What the government, or what the representative Herrera-D is doing right now regarding that bill, we're trying to push it. We're actually pushing it so that our telecommunications companies can help us maintain and sort of fund the relay service for the deaf community. Now, like what Kat said or George said, the devices are here already. They're providing it for free. What we're asking the government right now is to help us fund it, because this device needs internet connection. Also, well, the devices are not cheap, and we're very lucky that they're providing a few devices for free just to pilot the project and to raise awareness. Now, the House Bill number 5670, yes, we're pushing telecommunications companies kind of like to put a little fee to a basic fee. Like, how much is that? Around 0.005 per shareholder or subscribers, just to fund this relay service for the deaf community. So regarding your question, if it's available in the internet, actually they've shown me a website where you can learn how to use the sign language, right? well, it's a good start as well. They're also pushing the sign language, like the class, to the government schools, public schools. So to be part of the curriculum, actually. So the device, yeah, it's ready. Doing the project, and hopefully we can raise the awareness, and hopefully this bill can be passed into law. Thank you.
I have a question to the organizers of the event. Parang what made you come up with the idea that it should be a concert, and how come there are cosplayers involved? How come there's skateboarders? Parang why did you come up with that kind of concept? You know, it could be anything, but instead you decided to focus on something like that, like a carnival. Why?
That will be Kat's.
Ikaw may pakanana, no? Kat kasi she's also the vocalist of a band called Sadie. So, so she has a lot of connections with the music community. Siyempre ako yung sumagot ng sarili ko. I know. Oh well, yeah, so. Bakit nga ba?
Kasi bagong henerasyon eh. So, we're tapping. Paano ba? Ayan. Because the author of the bill is Congresswoman Bernadette Herradi, and she's the representative of bagong henerasyon. And yan na siguro yung nag-embody ng event namin. But yung new generation, cosplayers, skateboarders, musicians, mga kids na gusto ng riots, man, everything. So, pati mga matanda na ayaw tumanda. Yun. So, bagong henerasyon forever. Kaya, and it's masaya eh.
Any more questions from Arvin? Go na.
So this DSND, is this an office where there are also operators? Correct. I just want to share an experience when I work in a call center. I had calls from deaf people, and so it's a three-way call. The ones who are interpreting actually are not allowed to give their names because they are actually licensed interpreters. They just say their numbers, and they have an organization where they are connected. Is this also the way this works? And what I mean is, are there also licensed interpreters in the office who will do the job?
Yes. The fact is, we're really the VRS system, or the VRS training that we did is already in its progress. Like, we already trained 20 interpreters through TESDA and BH, and through our support. We trained 20 interpreters to become certified VRS interpreters. We have them ready. And at the same time, we're working with other deaf organizations to Philippine Foundation for the Deaf, and the other organizations for like interpreter organizations. So we're working with them to raise the quality of interpreters.
So the interpreters, when they face a computer, there's a video, and then so the deaf caller is also on the other line. They are have video to video conference. Is that correct?
Yes, just like the demo right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, you can see the VRS demo. Yeah, you can see the demo.
It's a demonstration. A model
Yeah,
working.
a replica of the
VR station.
VRS.
Okay, VRS station. Any more questions?